Now our next topic is intensity of electric field due to electric dipole at coaxial position. So we are going to start one of the most important derivation, intensity of electric field on coaxial position. So coaxial position. First of all, we have to study theory of this topic. It is also called broadside position. It is also called broadside position. It is a point on the line which lie on the perpendicular bisector of the axis line. This is the point P, is called a broadside position. Then this position is called a broadside on position. Let us consider an electric dipole. We are considering an electric dipole. This is an electric dipole A B. This is an electric dipole AB formed by minus Q and positive Q charge. This is minus Q charge and this is plus Q charge at a distance of 2L. This distance is L. This is also L. So the total distance is 2L. Then this is the diagram. This point A, this point B, this is our electric dipole, and this is the point P at which we have to calculate intensity of electric field. Let us consider this angle is theta and this is also theta because both the distance is same, and this point P is situated at a distance of r. This distance is r. Now, due to point B, the intensity of the electric field is in this direction, and due to point A, electric field intensity in this direction. So the resultant electric field intensity becomes in this direction. We have to calculate this intensity, electric field intensity. First of all, we have to calculate distance of PB. So distance of PB can be calculated by Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, PB equal to, this is hypotenuse. By using Pythagoras theorem, using Pythagoras theorem, this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse का स्क्वायर इक्वल टू बेस का स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर का स्क्वायर. हाइपोटेन्यूस PB का स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू बेस OB का स्क्वायर प्लस परपेंडिकुलर PO का स्क्वायर. So PB square equal to OP. The distance of OP is L. So L square plus PO. Distance of PO is R square. So PB equal to under root L square plus R square. Because this square becomes under root. So this is the distance of PB. Under root L square plus R square. Similarly, this is also under root L square plus R square. Now we have to calculate intensity of electric field due to point B. Intensity of electric field due to point B. We can represent by E1. Formula of intensity of electric field is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This Q divided by distance is PB square, distance square. So we can write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q and distance of PB under root L square plus R square. Under root L square plus R square and whole square. So this square can be cancelled by root. So distance becomes E1 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon में L square plus R square. L square plus R square. This is the equation number 1. Now we have to again calculate intensity of electric field due to point A. intensity of electric field, intensity of electric field due to point A. We can represent by E2. We can represent by E2. Formula is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus q upon में a p का स्क्वायर. This is the diagram. This is A, this is B, this is P. A p का स्क्वायर. E2 is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus q upon में distance of AP is same, L square plus R square. L square plus R square whole square. E2 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught minus q. This is in under root. This is also in under root. Under root can be cancelled by square. So distance is L square plus R square. This is our equation number 2. Now we have to calculate total intensity of electric field. Total intensity of electric field. Total intensity of electric field. Total intensity is calculated by formula under root E1 plus E2 plus 2 E1 E2 cos theta. E1 square plus E2 square. The total intensity is calculated by this formula. We already know this is used in 11th class. Resultant, it is the formula of resultant. Resultant equal to under root R1 square plus R2 square plus 2R1 R2 cos theta. This formula used in 11th class. We already used in 11th class. This is the formula of intensity of electric field. Now we have to put all the value. E1 equal to under root E1. What is the value of E1? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon में L square plus R square whole square plus E2. What is the value of E2? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. This minus sign can be neglected because we already choose the direction. This minus sign can be neglected because we already choose the direction in diagram. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon में L square plus R square whole square plus 2 E1 E2 cos theta. So E1 is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon में R square plus L square. This is E1 and this is E2. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon में R square plus L square into cos theta. Now E equal to under root 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon में L square plus R square whole square plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon में L square plus R square whole square plus 2. This is same, so we can multiply 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon में R square plus L square whole square and cos theta. This can be multiplied, so becomes whole square. Now we can common 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon R square. It is also here, it is also here, it is also here. So we can take common. E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon में L square R square is taking common. Now remaining portion is this already we have take common, so it becomes 1. We also take common this portion, so it becomes common. Now this is 2 and cos theta. This and this we already have take common. Now E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon में L square plus R square ब्रैकेट 1 plus 1 2 plus 2 cos theta. We can't add these two plus these two. ठीक है. E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q in divide L square plus R square under root 2 plus 2, and we know that formula of cos theta. Cos theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. 2 cos square theta minus 1. This is not a cos theta. This is cos 2 theta. This is cos 2 theta because in diagram this is our negative Q charge, this is our positive Q charge, this is point O, this is point A, this is point B, this is distance L, this is also distance L, this is point P, the distance of R, this is the direction of electric field intensity E1, this is the direction of electric field intensity E2, but this is the total intensity E. So this is theta, it becomes 2 theta. So this is 2 theta, not theta. You can correct in previous equation. So cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. So we can write here 2 cos square theta minus 1. So E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon में L square plus R square under root 2 plus 2 to the 4 cos square theta minus 2 1 ja 2. This minus 2 can be cancelled with plus 2. Now E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q is divided by L square plus R square and under root 4 cos square theta. E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon में L square plus R square. 4 can be written as 2 का square, 2 cos theta whole square, because 4 is the square of 2 and cos is already square. So square can be cancelled by root. E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q is divided by L square plus R square 2 cos theta. Now we have to put the value of cos theta. So we can calculate cos theta. We know that cos theta equal to base upon में hypotenuse. So cos theta equal to base. Base is L and hypotenuse is, this is hypotenuse under root L square plus R square. So under root L square plus R square. So we have to put this value at this place. We will get, after putting the value of cos theta at this place, we will get E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q is divided by L square plus R square into 2, and cos theta we can put the value of cos theta L upon में under root L square plus R square. Now E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, 4 pi epsilon naught Q, this 2QL, we know that 2QL is P. This is P is called electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment. This P is called electric dipole moment. So we can write P is divided by L square plus R square, L square plus R square. This its power is 1 and it is called half power. So we can write 1 and half 3 by 2. So E equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon में we can neglect L because L is very small as compared to R. So we can neglect L. L becomes 0. Neglect L. Neglect L. So we can write R square to the power 3 by 2. This to be cancelled. It becomes E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P is divided by R to the power 3. This is the equation of electric dipole moment for coaxial position. Here we can call this is the equation of intensity of electric field. Intensity of electric field due to electric dipole at coaxial position. This is our second derivative. First we already done. The difference between first derivation and second derivation is only 2.